Hey, so if you're just getting started with Confluence, the first thing you need is a workspace where all your content lives. In Confluence, this is called a space. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to create a workspace in Confluence in 2026. First thing, go to Confluence and sign into your account. You'll land on your main dashboard. Next, look for the Create Space option. So this is where you start building your workspace. All right. Choose a space type. You'll see options like team space, knowledge base, or blank space. Now give your space a name and key. This helps identify your workspace easily. Next, set permissions. So you can control who can view, edit, or manage your space. All right, click Create. Your workspace is now ready to use. And yeah, start adding pages. This is where your documentation and content go. Finally, customize it. So you can add a logo and organize your pages. So that's how you create a workspace in Confluence. Once set up, it becomes your central hub for collaboration and documentation.